In this video, we'll be telling about how to reset your Apple iPhone settings. We are telling about resetting your Apple iPhone settings. We are not telling about completely resetting your phone. Anyways, to reset your Apple iPhone settings, what you need to do is open settings. When you are opening settings, you can see one option, General. Click on General. After clicking on that, scroll down. When you are scrolling down, you can see one option, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on this option. When you are clicking on that, you can see one option, Reset. Click on Reset option. When you are clicking on that, you can see Reset All Settings. Click on this button. When you are clicking on that, you can see a pop-up message like this. Here it is showing Reset All Settings. Click on this option. When you are clicking on that, again you can see that option. Again click on that option. When you are clicking on that, your phone will be turned off. Wait for your phone to turn on back. Now my phone is restarted. Now every settings will be reset. An important thing you should note is that no photos or videos will be deleted during this process. If you are going to photos, you can see every photos and videos in your smartphone. So this way you can easily reset settings in your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.